A legal battle is now expected to play out over the First Amendment at the Denver courthouse, and Police Chief Robert White is caught up in the middle of it all. 7 News reporter Eric Lufer is in the newsroom looking at both this case and what led up to it all. Good morning, Eric.
Dale, this all started back in July when 2 men set up a small booth on the Lindsay Flanagan courthouse property and began handing out jury nullification brochures. Now, they were charged with jury tampering. Well, it all came back around last week during the Dexter Lewis death penalty case, and here's why. Courthouse officials feared potentially violent protests if the jury decided to sentence Lewis to death for stabbing 5 people at Pharaoh's Bar and Grill in 2012. That never happened. He was given life in prison. But when jury nullification activists showed up outside the courthouse during the sentencing phase, Denver police got involved. The Denver Post reporting there was a heated confrontation and that police confiscated protesters' property. And that's where things get interesting. This morning, parties of a civil rights lawsuit are expected to appear in U.S. District Court for a hearing over whether Police Chief Robert White should be held in contempt. In other words, they want the chief to show cause why the advocates' efforts were disrupted, Dale.
All right, we'll keep you updated throughout the morning. Thanks, Eric.